اوكي
بونجور سلام.
اوكي اليوم عنا جادجتس
ايه بس قبل
كتير بشعة، ما تحضر الحلقة. يلا
باي. شخصيا the name of the game is put the music on, baby.
I think we should not be friends anymore.
Someday we could become friends.
We were friends? I had a friend.
I think this is the beginning of a beautiful friendship.
طيب يلا شو عنا اليوم؟
أكيد أنا اليوم بدي أحكيكم عن البوكوكو Galaxy Projector. Pococo.
شو اسمه؟
Pococo.
بوكوكو ولا بوكوكو؟
Pococo Galaxy
ولا
Projector.
بوكوكو؟
Pococo. Works anywhere with battery لأنه فيها battery ما هيك؟ Set timers, who cares? And we have extra galaxies كمان. Pococo is a galaxy projector يعني it's gonna project on your roof.
جد mankind وين وصل؟ صارت الجالكسي بتيجي لعندك على البيت.
بده يضحك سلام بس إنه أول شيء ليك a guide to space exploration déjà. عرفت كيف؟ A guide to space exploration with all the different galaxies and whatnot. Who cares? A message from Anna. Okay.
مين أنا هي اللي عملت لها بوكوكو؟
Anna Taylor, founder and CEO. مظبوط.
Okay.
هون عنا لكن two gift Westerlund 2 diamond stars fine and the Pococo projector.
عندي أندروميدا بإيدي.
And look at the extras here that we also got. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? You get the Cigar Galaxy, the Lobster Nebula, the Whirlpool Galaxies, the Bubble Nebula, Orion Nebula, and the Large Magellanic Nebula. Let's look a bit at the projector. So it's light, right? You have here USB-C for charging, power, rotation, if you want it to turn, and timer. You see 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, so it turns off. This is where you zoom, and obviously, you know, depending on the height of your space, etc. And then you have here the small tray where you put your Galaxy, and which is cool because you can charge it or it works on a battery, and you have an anti-slip mat at the bottom, which is pretty cool. And then you can angle it, right? Okay, Orion Nebula. Let's try the Orion Nebula. So you open it, right? And then you have the little tiny disc. Yeah?
That's the beauty.
Tiny disc with the whole galaxy on it. I guess pretty much HD. تسحبها, and here you have to align the things. See, like yeah.
كسرها.
And then you just put it back, and I guess you just turn it on. See?
So بس لازم يكون كل شيء معتم.
Hey.
مثل planetarium يعني.
It's like a night light, I guess. And if you spin it on rotating, can you see it rotating ever so slowly? Do you like the Pococo Galaxy projector?
يضوّد بس الضوء. Do we like it? Sure. For kids, it's beautiful. فيك تحكي لهم عن Galaxy. فيك تفوت تعمل. So I think it's cool. A day. How much is it?
$80, I think.
A bit expensive. I'd go for $50 for
and
this.
these are a bit more, but it's nice. It's eco-friendly. You can take it anywhere. I can't. Like it. It's okay. It's okay. All right. Well, this is the Pococo.
Pococo.
Merci beaucoup. I'll see you next time. Sana?
Yes, see you next time.
Yes.
New gadget.
Galaxy. Yeah, next episode. Bye.